There's a fire going, and there's a bird trying to make a nest. Nature at its best. Oh my goodness. That bird is trying to make a nest. The fire is right below. It's my big brush pile that I accumulated to burn one day. And today happened to be that day, and all of a sudden a bird's fly. There was no nest here, right? There was no nest. And all of a sudden a bird flies and sits on it, trying to make a nest. The fire is smoldering. It's good the fire is smoldering, not a big fire. The bird is right there, trying to make a nest. Can I hide from me? They merry-go-round to hide from me. Like, don't look at me. I'm trying to make a nest on the burning fire, or on top of a burning fire. It's nature right now. I never know what's gonna happen.